Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today I'm going to showcase a custom version of our DC-10C-PKG-SHRT counter. This order is going out to ProGlas, which is a fiberglass fabrication company that specializes in making products such as fiberglass tanks, enclosures, rovers, and pump jacks, just to name a few of their products. What this model is going to be used for is to keep track of the amount of liquid glass that is being pumped out for production. This is done via a diffused reflective sensor, which is used to increment the digits each time the liquid comes out. Unlike our other models, this one does not have a decrement or subtract switch in the enclosure. It's meant to simply increment and reset the digits right back to zero each time you press the button, which can be found on the right hand side of the enclosure. So now I'm going to be going over the functions of how this model is meant to work, and it's very self-explanatory. So what it's meant to do is that the liquid fiberglass will come out of the tube or the pump, and then it gets in front of the area sensor. And as you can see, once it does that, it increments, or it adds a digit each time it senses motion in front of it. And so it keeps doing that over and over and over. At the end of their shift, they can count up the total for how much fiberglass that they've distilled. At the end of their shift, they can count up the total for how much is on the fiberglass that they distilled. And in order to reset it to zero, you just press this button right here. That's on the right-hand side of the enclosure. And that resets it right back to zero. So quickly going over the hardware aspects of this model, it is a black powder coated 14 gauge aluminum enclosure. Its display size is 1 inch that can be viewed up to 25 feet. It's not meant to be viewed from far away. The number of digits is 4 digits that can each count up to a grand total of 9,999. For its power type, it is a 120 to 240 VAC wall adapter with a 6 feet cord, but it also accepts 24 VDC if you have that in store. For mounting, you have 2 slotted teardrop knockouts on the back. And lastly, for accessories, we have our exclusive diffused reflective sensor with a 10 feet range, and it comes with a stranded 50-foot shielded data wire cable that is 22 gauges, and it's connected via our Optoboard base to the display in the front side here. So again, this is Ian with DC Digital, demonstrating a custom version of our DC-10C-PKG-SHRT counter with a 25-foot diffused reflective sensor. Thanks for watching.